What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, telling people what your top positions are is just a part of the investing space. I get asked it all the time. What's your top two, top three, top five favorite cryptocurrencies that are out there? I literally just got asked it by my brother who has a friend that's interested in cryptocurrency, and they asked me what my top three cryptocurrencies are overall. In this video, I want to talk about my top three cryptocurrencies on the Solana chain that I own, that I believe is going to be worth quite a bit, and the reasons as to why they're going to be worth quite a bit. So in this video, we're going to explain three different positions, and whether they're meme coins, whether they're utility coins, or all of the above, right? Or anything in between. And I think this is going to be very valuable because it'll show you what I'm looking at when it comes to these plays, and maybe you guys can see some of the same things as well as see something extra. Who really knows? So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. I'll provide all of the links for these three cryptocurrencies at the top of the description. And if you guys want to trade some of these cryptocurrencies, I believe you can trade over on BTCC, which is a great platform that I partner with. That'll be right below all of the different breakdowns of these positions themselves. But let's go ahead and dive into this and start with the first cryptocurrency that I have here. Now, Solana chain is very, very interesting, right? And the reason why it's interesting is because of the speed, the creativity, the amount of like meme coins that are being created is honestly just amazing to say the least. So there are a lot of opportunities that are on there to make a ton of money, but these are the ones that I see as my top, holdings that are on the Solana chain, besides Solana, of course. So first, we're going to start with number one, GameStop. GameStop is at 0.005. It's at a 50% of a penny level. I'm currently up a massive amount on my GameStop. I had 3 million GameStop. It went up to about 3 cents, which I had like $30,000, or actually multiples of that. So I had 90,000. I had an opportunity to have $90,000. I took 25,000 as my profit and left 1 million coins that's still in there. And right now it's sitting at about 5,200. I only invested like $1,200 or something close to that in this play, and I'm up a massive amount on this play here. But it is currently at $36 million market cap, so much more room for growth. $11 million in volume. It has different markets that it's available on. So you have Radium, you have Gate.io, you have BingX, you have MEXC, XT.com, and so on and so forth, right? 66 other trading pairs that are available. Now, this is considered a meme coin, but I kind of consider it definitely more, not saying utility, but definitely more tied to something that has like utility. When you understand the GameStop situation and the rise and fall and attack of GameStop, it means much more to that community, which has come over to the cryptocurrency market as well. Meaning that you have that same pumpability to it, showing that a $36 million market cap could definitely, for sure, be a $360 million market cap or a $3.6 billion market cap to tie with everything that's there. So definitely has the meme coin popularity, definitely has the tie to a real world business in a way, right, into that community. So that's the whole reason as to why I'm so heavy on this play. And again, I already made not only my initial investment, but let's just round down and say 25 times my initial investment from the start of this. And I'm currently still up $5,000+ on this play because I found it at a lower price, right? And I feel like this is still at a low price compared to where it will go in the end. The next play that I have on my list is a play that I talked about recently, TARS AI. TARS AI sits at a level of 39 cents. And it's at a $211 million market cap, significantly higher than what we just saw with GameStop. It does sit at $44 million worth of volume, and it has a 19% volume to market cap ratio. It has many different markets that's available on, right? Bybit, it has Gate.io, MEXC, some of the same ones that we had there, Bitmart, and 19 other trading pairs there. You do have a total supply of about 1 billion, and you have a 543 million TARS in circulating supply, so you don't have to worry about any type of major dilution at all. If you look at the chart and where this has come from, again, it's up 29% over the day. In the last 7 days, up 74%. The last month, up 180%. In the last year, it's up 635%. So it definitely had a larger pump to it, where many people probably have said, oh, TARS AI has a chance to get to $1. Well, yeah, it definitely has a chance to get to $1. And from there, you would be looking at a 20x on your overall play if you decided to invest into it at that point. Or you even invested into it at these lower points, you still would have had, even up to here, a 4x, up to $1, a 10x, right? So shows a lot of opportunity, and we all know that AI is going to be the future. We know that we're going to be talking about AI quite a bit. We're going to be using AI quite a bit, and the different things that are implemented on TARS AI. This is definitely geared more towards utility rather than what we were talking about first, where it's just about popularity. This is about popularity as well as, being in that sector, that AI sector, and a major player in that AI sector. But they're different stack that they have. You have the AI console, you have the consumer AI, you have AI hub, as well as TARS search engine. So I'll provide a link down below for this, as well as for GameStop down there if you guys want to check all of this out. The last play that I have on my list is going back into the meme coin space, which I feel like there's a lot of popularity surrounding that on the Solana chain because there's so many things that are being created. The Book of Meme is one of my top plays, right? I have, it's currently sitting at a $644 million market cap, going from low market cap of GameStop up to higher market cap of TARS AI, and then seeing Book of Meme at the higher market cap range right now. $644 million market cap. This is even below my cost basis, so if I wanted to put more in here, I could. Currently with $314 million worth of volume, and about a 50% volume to market cap ratio. So this has a level of popularity that honestly I didn't see since you saw with like ApeCoin, right? ApeCoin came out, was available on so many different platforms, it just came out of nowhere, and that was more geared towards utility. This is a meme coin, right? And the simplest meme coin that you can have. Like literally, if you go into their website, it's not even something that has all the bells and whistles. It has text, and it has pictures, right? And all of it is associated with memes. Like it's very, very simply put. It's like you going to Microsoft Word and then just pasting everything in Microsoft Word and like basically making like a simple business plan or something. This is kind of what that looks like. It's on a white background. You just have pictures. You just have words with bold text. It's a meme coin, but it has its level of popularity that definitely interests me. So these are some top plays that I had. Nothing crazy, right? These things could have amazing increases over time. And with whether you're talking about something that has just popularity or something that has clear utility on the Solana chain, you guys want to, give these a look at least. So I'll provide links for GameStop, for TARS AI, for Book of Meme, all down below in the description. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let me know what your top Solana plays are in the comment section below. I'll try to get rid of as many of those spam and scam comments. If you see anybody impersonating me, please don't fall for that. I'm not asking you for anything. I don't want any money from you. I just want to make sure that you guys are safe. So don't look at anybody that's impersonating me, and also the scam comments. Watch out for those as well. I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.